Ali and the Rolling Marble. Ali sat outside, no friends, inside, with shiny marbles that sparkled bright. The grass was soft, the breeze was light. Hmm, thought Ali, I'll play just right. He set one marble still on the ground, then rolled the other, it spun around. Crash, he wished, but oh, instead, the marble zipped past, it zoomed ahead. Maybe this time? He gave it a spin, but each time it missed again and again. The marbles kept rolling this way and that. Ali just stared and dropped his hat. He counted and counted 99. Why won't these marbles play nice and align? He puffed his cheeks, he gave a sigh, and watched them roll, roll, roll on by. Then Ali gasped, "Oh dear, oh no, I forgot Bismillah before my throw." He whispered gently, soft and small, "In the name of Allah, the kindest of all." He rolled the marble steady and neat. It rolled and rolled, then tap, a meet. The two marbles kissed with a happy sound. Ali jumped high, right off the ground. The marble twinkled. "Ali, you see, I like to keep rolling. That's just me. I only stop when I hit a bump, or grass, or stick, or a little lump." Ali clapped. "Subhanallah, I know. Things keep moving as they go. They don't get tired. They don't need rest. They stop when something makes them yes." Just like the wise Ibn Sina found, who watched how things moved all around. This genius doctor, long ago, helped the whole wide world to know. That night, beneath the moonlit sky, Ali whispered, "Allah, you taught me why. Though friends weren't here to share my play, you gave me truth in a brand new way. Knowledge is a friend so true. It stays with me in all I do."